Welcome to my channel. A picture. The beautiful and colorful things in life attracted by humans since the beginning of civilization. When an artist, with the help of artificial mediums, transforms the beautiful naturals and create a work of art, it is called a picture. Tools and materials required to draw: a piece of paper, cloth, drawing board, board pin, eraser, pencil, brush of fur, knife, blade, etc. And crayon, plastic crayon, oil pastel, soft pastel, watercolor, oil color, wood pencil color, soft pastel, pencil color, charcoal pencil color, turpentine oil, linseed oil, canvas, easel, etc. There are some kind of papers: handmade paper, workman papers, art paper, ivory board, oil sketch papers, wax papers, etc. All these are needed to draw a picture. Use of pencil in drawing. Pencil is very essential for drawing. It can be both hard and soft depending upon darkness. Pencils are given the following different numbers. HB. This is a medium pencil. It is used very much in drawing because it is neither too black nor too hard and does not break easily. Lines drawn by this number can be easily erased. B. This pencil is slightly soft and lines drawn by it are a little darker. 2B. This pencil is soft and a little darker. It is used in drawing dark and clear lines. Pencils are available from B, 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B, 9B, 10B, 12B and H to 8H. These are the basic gradation of pencils. The harder the grade, the thinner and grayer the maximum density will be. An 8B to 12B will make soft dark marks. Generally, 2B and 4B are more popular and used for sketching. Other sketching pencil is charcoal pencil. Charcoal pencil is soft, medium and hard. This pencil is very dark. Shape and forms of an object. We can see the length and width of the object. In form, we can see length, width and depth of the object. Shape and forms can be observed in the form of pictures of cubes, circles, cylinders, pyramids and cupboards. Line. When two points are joined, a line is formed. Every line of any type has some meaning. A line can be straight or dotted, horizontal or vertical, curved or slanting, zigzag or crossed or parallel to some other line. Lines show the basic structure of a picture composition. Thanks for watching this video.